So I decided to go to Puerto Rico, and because places I decided to go to are jinxed, they had a power outage the day before I was to get there. And as you can see with the stoplights, the power was still out for the first day and a half while I was there.
The first hotel I had a reservation at had a broken generator, so there was no air conditioning. After a day of this, I found a hotel with an available room and working air conditioning on the other side of the island. This place was a real lifesaver. The hotel was called La Jamaica. It was owned by a nice lady I met while staying there. From here, I went to find a beach. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of this beach, so I'm just going to put the name up on the screen for you. It was a nice little walk from the parking lot through the trees here to the beach. Now it's waterfall time, so I drove up into the mountains looking for some waterfalls. The waterfall is awesome. I definitely love this. Cool thing about this place is it had two waterfalls. So you could see one and then walk a little further down a path like this and you can go see the other one. A nice walk by the creek.
Even though there was no power in the first hotel, then I had to check out of it after 12 hours, scramble and find another hotel on the other side of the island. Overall, the trip was wonderful, and I would highly suggest going to anybody who gets the chance.